ATV. It's going to be hard to deny Walker Fowler. He's coming off a third place. The guy doesn't like losing, but I want to see Indiana blow up. So let's get Adam McGill there, center of the box, so these fans go nuts.
Are you ready to go GNCC Racing? 10 seconds.
Walker Fowler certainly feeling the heat, certainly feeling the pressure. He knows Bryson Neal's back there. He knows Hart's back there, and I'm sure he's got an inclination that there is someone else lurking back there in that fourth place position.
Your bones are not even broken yet. So push yourself through without your regret. Even if you've been misled, tell your dreams again. Carry on.
Still wants to go out and try to get a perfect season. Man, I don't know, Walker Fowler. These guys, I mean, Bryson Neal, Hunter Hart, John Galata now coming on, and you still cannot count out Adam McGill. You can't count out Cole Richardson, and Chris Borage still has something in the tank.
And even if you've been misled, tell your dreams again. Carry on.
Starting right now, chipping away as he takes the win here at 2021 Hoosier GNCC. It's win number 4 for Bryson Neal.
I got to find something. I'm losing points. Luckily today stopped the bleeding a little bit. Only lost 5. You know, Bryson's the guy that I'm looking at the end game in the championship, and he's chipping away at it. No different than Cooper Webb was at Kenner Oxen, and you know I saw that whole battle, and you know I hated how Ken just let that thing get away from him, and I don't want to be that guy. I want to be Cooper Webb. So I gotta figure it out. Like I said, I know I'm where I need to be. It's just I gotta start over. So sell this thing. There'll be an auction after the race. I don't know, something.
Something. There you go. Back to square one for the number 1. We'll take it back to you.
Wow, quite deflated Walker Fowler, but at the same time, I think a man on a mission.